In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge multiple items together in Canva. If you've ever wanted to move a headline, an icon, and a shape as one piece, or keep a layout perfectly aligned while you resize it, grouping is the fastest way to make that happen. We'll keep it simple and thorough so you can follow along confidently. First, open Canva and go to your design. Make sure you're in the editor view where you can see your canvas and the layers you want to work with. Give the page a moment to load all elements, and if your layout is detailed, consider zooming in a bit so you can clearly see what you're selecting. To select multiple items, you have two easy options. The first is click and drag. Click on an empty area of your canvas. This is important so you don't accidentally pick up an element and, while holding down your mouse button, drag out a selection box around all the elements you want to include. Aim to fully enclose each element you need. When you release, you'll see that everything inside the box is selected. If you grab something extra or missed a piece, click once on an empty space to deselect and try again with a tighter or wider box. Precision here saves time later. The second method is Shift plus click. Start by clicking the first element you want. Then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click each additional element you'd like to include. This is especially handy when your items are spread out or when a selection box would capture unwanted pieces. If you select the wrong element by mistake, simply Shift-click it again to remove it from the selection. With your elements selected, it's time to group them. Look toward the top of the editor for the toolbar, and click the Group button. It often looks like two overlapping squares. Alternatively, you can right-click on the selection and choose Group from the menu. Once grouped, your elements will behave like a single object, showing one bounding box. Now you can move them together, resize them proportionally, rotate them as one unit, and keep your layout perfectly aligned without chasing individual pieces around the canvas. If you don't see the Group button, double-check that more than one element is selected. And if something won't select, it may be part of a background or simply outside your selection area. Try zooming or adjusting your drag box for accuracy. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.